morning, everyone. I welcome all of you in today's lesson. In today's lesson, we learn about Wechselpräposition in German language. What all are two-way preposition in German language and why it will called Wechsel, either two-way preposition. Let's see. We call it two-way preposition. Means sometimes it take dative, sometimes they take accusative. And today we learn about when it take dative and when it take accusative. Auf means on. When we are above something and touching this, like the table is on the floor or laptop is on the table. On the top of. When the like this. In English we use on for both, but German horizontal, auf, vertical, an. Like the poster is on the wall. An. In, something is inside something. In, same in English. Into it. Neben is near. Difference between an and neben is, in an it's touching, neben is not touching. Means near and beside. Zwischen, between this. Unter, under, something like this. Box is like this. Under this. Hinter, behind. Box is like this, and this is something is behind it. Über, above. Above is box is this, and this is not touching this. Above. Difference between auf and über is auf it's touching the base, über is not touching above. Like fan is above the head. For, before, yeah, in front of. So these all are the two-way preposition. Let's see one more example like this. House, auf, touching the base and above, auf. An, when it's touching from the sides like a wall, the posture is on the wall, an. Neben, near this. For, in front of, something is in front of, for. In, inside, in. Behind, hinter. Über, above, not touching, above. Unter, under. Zwischen, between the house. I hope you all clear with the two-way preposition. Now we see when it takes accusative and when it takes dative. See, accusative, wohin, where to. Whenever there is action or movement, then we use accusative with these preposition, and when there is no action or no movement, we use dative. You can add dative is equal to that, no movement is there. If we are going somewhere and we have these preposition, we use accusative. If we are someplace, we use dative. Not going. We are at this place. Let's see some more example. Special verb. These verbs, we need to check these verbs. Like we already tell you, accusative when we going somewhere. Movement. Gehen, kommen, fahren, fliegen. Sein and haben, no movement, dative. And rest all example, liegen is like this. With the movement, liegen is like this, but no movement. Stellen like this, standing like this, with movement, stehen, no movement. Hängen, same, but movement and no movement. Let's see usage of these verbs in a sentence. Liegen and liegen. Liegen, to lie. When we are putting something like in this position, like the book, like she is putting the book in this position. Sie legt das Buch auf den Tisch. She put the book on the table. So we have two-way preposition auf, we use accusative because there is a movement we are putting. If I say the book is on the table, das Buch liegt auf dem Tisch, then it's dative. Why? Because no movement. In book liegen is like this. Let's see. Stellen and stehen. stellen, to place a friend like this, and stehen is starting. I am putting this bottle on the table. So sie stellt die Flasche auf den Tisch. Accusative, because she is putting this, standing this. Then it's movement, accusative. Stehen, no movement. Die Flasche steht auf dem Tisch. The bottle stand on the table. Stellen, movement, accusative. Steht, no movement, dative. Hang up. Hang up. Accusative, perfect hang. Ich hänge die Wäsche auf die Länge. Wohin? I hanged something, then it's accusative. I am doing this. I am hanging posture. The posture is on the wall. Die Wäsche hängen auf der Länge. Wo? I am hanging, accusative. Die Wäsche is dative. Let's see some of the example. Ich gehe. Whenever we go in any covered space, normally we use in. So is gehe, movement is there. So ins. In plus das. In, accusative, become ins. I am in cafe. Ich bin im. In plus them, im. So we are going, gehe, we use in plus das. Im, ins. And we are in cafe. Ich bin im cafe. Then it's starting. Because we need to remember that table, bin is there. Der Mann liegt im bed. The man lies on bed. No movement. I have no movement. Das Buch liegt auf. No movement. Them. Dative. Liegt है. Dative. Der Mann steht. No movement. The man stand. Im Garten. No movement. Dative. In plus them. Im. Ich stelle. I put. Das Buch. Regal. Movement is there. Stelle verb. Movement. So ins regal. In plus das. In. We are citizens. We sit. Movement. Auf. Sofa is neutral. Auf the sofa. Ich hänge das Bild. I hang the picture. So movement is there. I am hanging the picture. So an. Accusative, the what. The bill hanged, no action, no movement. The picture hanged on their one. Dative. Hope it's clear now. Nominative and accusative and dative and two-way preposition. You can watch this video again. If you have any doubt, any concern, just write us below. Have a nice day.